Hello everyone, I'm Banner Lanamai James. I'm the brand ambassador of the Poumai Music Niih. I'm thrilled to invite you all to a celebration of our musical heritage. Join us as we launch the Poumai Music Niih magazine, a platform dedicated to showcasing our vibrant culture. We'll honor our talented musicians and recognize our outstanding music academics and schools. Get ready for a special documentary featuring legendary bands and solo artists, and emphasize the preservation of our traditional folk music. We'll also have press coverage in major media outlets, insightful interviews with music legends, and an electrifying musical concert featuring top performers. Get ready for a special documentary featuring legendary bands and solo artists, and hear from the certified music mentors and teachers who have shaped our community's musical history. This is an event you wouldn't want to miss. Mark your calendars and join us in celebrating the spirit of Poumai Music Niih. See you all there.